れるよ見せてくれて抱いてきっと届く時間から街が目覚める力に包まれる
I want to meet the dream bird, and I don't care anymore. Let this world burn.
負けないよ Fight 夢は共に叫ぼう世界へ君と喜びは勝つたびに蘇るファンタスティック恐れない Brave 夢 Happy 重ね合う My face your face 君よ君のまま Give me give me try 突き抜けて Jump into the sky
What?
You heard me. Hey, world! I want to become a sci-fi writer and inspire children to dream!
Yeah, it is what it is. I can't go visit my parents' place. I can't even go home to my own apartment. A boyfriend? Of course not. I know. I'm doing okay. Talk to you later. Bye. Morning.
Hey! How are ya?
Boss, what? This day is exciting lunch special, outdoor makeup, and then dangerous shoulder pain? How come all three of these articles are due on the same day?
Because they have to be. You know this place. We're not a big outlet. To keep up, we need quantity. So, how about we hit Ginza for some sushi later? All right, see you then. Hey, Owie. Hold down the fort, will ya?
A magazine editor? That is writing work, isn't it? Then that's one step closer to your dream. Yeah, but I can't come up with any good ideas. Have you got any good kaiju stories? Really? That sucks. I know you're not supposed to talk about your work, but please, even something minor would help. Oh, man. The dream bird? What's that? It's nothing. An idea that came to me in a dream, I guess. You know what they say? When you have one of those, you gotta write it down ASAP or you'll forget it. I swear I had such a great idea in that dream. Where the heck did I write it down? Lately, I've been wondering if I'm even on the right track. My dreams just aren't as fantastical as they used to be. They're basically all about work. Idea? Where are you? Hello? Here? I wish a great story would just up and fall out of the sky. Huh? That's where you were.
You've got to be kidding me!
No. What the?
I have traveled across the universe in order to grant your wish. Tell me what it is you desire.
This is a dream. It has to be.
You can hear me, can't you? You are a fountain of possibilities. You shouldn't be here, buried in paperwork. Tell me a wish that only you could make.
I want to meet the dream bird.
Hold on. Is this ugly thing really the dream bird? Hey, that tickles, cut it out. Oh yeah, you must be Dory, right? The Dory from my dream? So cute. All right, be good and stay here. Wait, what? Are you telling me it'd be better if they were the same person? Oh, you're right.
So it's an unexplained signal?
It's been on my mind for a long time, but I finally located it.
We've narrowed it down to a 2-kilometer radius somewhere around here.
Yeah.
It's been on and off the past few months, but it's becoming more frequent.
Kitagawa Town.
What's wrong, Rin?
That's where Aoi's office is.
There haven't been any reports of damage yet, but let's check it out just in case.
Morning! No. You've already finished transcribing the interview.
Yeah, I also sent the layout to the designer, so we're all set.
Very good, very good. That's our Owie. Did you hear that?
Maybe it's a mouse, or maybe a civet.
Yeah, I guess this is a pretty old building. What was that?
Oh, that was me. Oh, my stomach's making noises. Oh,
Well, meeting time. See ya.
good luck. Wait, you love the twist? Thank you very much. Are you serious? That's so great. Thank you again. Talk soon. The entire editorial department loves it. This is all thanks to you, Dory. Today's pretty warm, huh? Having fun? You want some? Here. Yummy. I think I'll have some too.
Oh, hi, Rin. What's up?
Just wondering, has anything weird happened near you lately?
No, nothing. I haven't heard about anything either.
You do know the only time you sound like that is when you're hiding something.
No, that's not true. I do this all the time. But I'm working, so I gotta go. Sorry, bye. I swear, Dory's a bottomless pit sometimes. Hey, I'm back.
Someone got a whole lot bigger.
This isn't good. In fact, it's very bad. Dory, chill out. Calm down.
Morning.
I'm changing in here. I'm still naked, so you're gonna have to wait a minute. What's going on? Now, Dory.
Everything okay?
Come on. Sorry about that.
You good? Like, what was that?
What was what?
Owie, are you feeling all right? Huh? Is it like you're worn out?
No, just peachy.
Doesn't really seem like it. Are you sure?
Like I said, I was just changing. Oh, yeah! I gotta do this laundry. Look how gross it's gotten. Oh, you see? You can make out my silhouette in the sweat stain.
Yes, this is the Skip Kaiju Hotline. What? A kaiju in the park?
Excuse me. Move aside. Excuse me.
Howie! What are you doing with the kaiju? I'm just protecting my friend. This is the bird from my dreams.
What it is dangerous.
Dory hasn't done a single thing wrong. All it did is make my dreams come true. Like I said, Dory's my dream bird.
Howie, wake up. Your wishes shouldn't be granted by others. You have to work hard and make them come
will
true.
You shut up? You're pretty, your life's great, you're good at your job, so that's easy for you to say. I mean, we all talk about these dreams we have, but in reality, what chance do they have of coming true? The truth is, Dory's my only hope.
Global Defense Force! Everyone stand back!
Leave them alone!
Hold on! You'll hit Allie!
Wait, don't! Dory, no! Dory! Dory, stay with me! Dory! Dory, please don't go. I did the best I could do every single day. I gave everything I had to my stupid job. I bit my lip when all my friends were getting married. Swallowed my parents' complaints. And here you all are! Doing what? Taking everything I have away? Then I don't care anymore. Let this world burn. Destroy it all! King of Mines!
Allie, let's go! There's a kid over there!
This way!
Go on ahead.
Just get to safety.
Hey, world! I want to become a sci-fi writer and inspire children to dream!
What have I done now?
I'm sorry, I was wrong! Somebody please come help Ultraman!
Turns out it means friend.
Who are you?
I am the pinnacle of material civilization, a being whose purpose is to grant all wishes.
Whose purpose is to grant all wishes.
Although I should never have existed, for greed has no limits. Many who had their wishes granted fell to ruin.
And I could do nothing but watch.
That voice. It sounds like you, Howie.
So that's it. The red sphere wasn't my friend at all. Because it was me all along.
This time, I'd like you to hear my wish.
And what is it?
Please end my journey.
Will I ever be able to see Dory again?
Let it all be a dream and a lost memory.
Okay, red sphere. Disappear.
You know my umbrella. Anyone seen it?
Umbrella.
When was that again?
There used to be a building here, but it's like I'm just too tired to remember.
Or my memory of it is gone. Who are you anyway?
I'm just a man who dreams of paradise.
Next time on Ultraman Arc, the man in the white mask. Time to run. Yuma.